In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Confluence space. Now to do this, you first want to open your space. So for me, I'm going to do this one over here. Then you want to click on the three dots next to it here on the left, and you want to click on Space Settings. Then it's going to open the space settings, and there's a bunch of different things. So we want to go into General over here, and inside General, it says Export Space. You could also just type in here, Export, and you're going to find it as well. So click on Export Space. And then from here, you have to select the file format, either PDF or CSV. You have the advanced options as well. And then from here, you can just select either you want to do selected content, and then you can select it, or you can do all content you have permission to view. Then click on Export Space, and that way it's going to start exporting your files. And whenever this is completed, so when it comes to 100%, it's going to get exported and you'll get the access to that specific file. So that's how to do this. That's how to export a space. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.